everyone, my name is Nur Indra Fajranti. Today I'm going to present about cardiovascular system. Okay, in this presentation, I'll explain about what is the circulatory system, why is the cardiovascular system, and how the cardiovascular system works, and give one example related on to the orthotic and prosthetic. The end conclusion. Okay, first let's talk about what is the circulatory and cardiovascular system. The circulatory system is the body system responsible for transporting blood, nutrients, oxygen, hormones, and other essential substances throughout the body and removing metabolic waste. The main organs of the circulatory system are the heart, blood, and blood vessels. Cardiovascular system. The cardiovascular system is part of the circulatory system that focuses on the role of the heart or cardio and blood vessels or vascular. This system consists of first, heart, the main pump that pumps blood throughout the body. Blood vessels, first arteries, carry blood from the heart to the rest of the body. Two veins return blood from the body to the heart. 3. Capillaries, tiny vessels where oxygen, nutrients, and waste are exchanged. And blood, transport oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and metabolic waste. In essence, the cardiovascular system is the body's transportation system that maintains balance, cell health, and organ function. Okay, why is the cardiovascular system important? First, distributing oxygen to cells. This system ensures that every cell in the body receives enough oxygen to function properly. Without oxygen, cells will die. 2. Transporting nutrients. Blood carries nutrients from food absorbed by the intestines throughout the body, allowing cells to grow, repair themselves, and function. 3. Waste disposal. Metabolic waste products such as carbon dioxide and urea are carried by the blood to the excretory organs for disposal. 4. Regulating body temperature. Blood helps balance body temperature by carrying heat from internal organs to the skin to be released. And 5. Hormone delivery. Because hormones regulate various bodily functions such as growth, metabolism, and reproduction. How the cardiovascular system works? First, blood circulation through the heart. The oxygenated blood enters the heart through the vena cava into the right atrium, then is pumped to the right ventricle and sent to the lungs through the pulmonary artery to pick up oxygen. Oxygen-rich blood returns to the heart through the pulmonary veins to the left atrium, then is pumped into the left ventricle and circulated throughout the body via the aorta. Systemic and pulmonary circulation. Pulmonary circulation, blood from the heart to the lungs for gas exchange. Second, systemic circulation, blood from the heart to the rest of the body for the distribution of oxygen and nutrients. The role of blood vessels and blood. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood to the cells of the body. Capillaries enable the exchange of substance or oxygen out, waste in. and veins return blood to the heart for the next cycle. Okay, in this example, a 30-year-old female patient experienced leg muscle weakness due to a spinal injury and had to use orthotics on her lower limbs to help her stand and walk during walking exercises, and her cardiovascular system worked harder to pump blood to her still weak leg muscles. 3-4. The doctor monitored her heart rate and blood pressure so that the exercise did not put excessive strain on her heart. Okay, to conclude, the relationship between the cardiovascular system and orthotic prosthetic is as follows. The cardiovascular system, heart and blood vessels, plays an important role in supplying oxygen and energy to the muscles when a person uses orthotic or prosthetic device. If the cardiovascular system is weak, the person will tire quickly and have difficulty adapting to the mobility aids. Okay, thank you for listening to my presentation.